Hello students, in our previous session we have discussed some slope angle related questions on straight lines class 11th. Today I am going to discuss some more critical problems on the same chapter. Let's solve it. The base of an equilateral triangle with side 2a lies along the y-axis such that the midpoint of the base is at the origin. Find the vertices of the triangle. Let's draw the figure first. Side 2a lies along the y-axis. Let's first consider positive y-axis. We can also draw the figure on the left hand side, that is on negative y-axis. First draw it treating positive y-axis. This side 2a lies 2a and the center will be at the origin. 2a lies along the y-axis such that the midpoint of the base triangle midpoint means O 0 0 origin, this and this, equilateral triangle, that is this will be 2a, this will be also 2a and this will be also 2a. That is, this is the midpoint, so this portion will be a, that is 0 comma a, this point, and this point will be 0 comma minus a. Now we have to find the distance of this segment. We have this as a, this is perpendicular, think this as a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, this will be base, this is perpendicular, and this will be hypotenuse. So hypotenuse value is 2a, therefore we will find perpendicular. We know p square plus b square is equal to hypotenuse square. P will find p square plus b means here base a, hypotenuse means twice a, whole square. P square is equal to 4a square minus a square, 3a square. P is equal to plus minus 3 means root 3a, that is plus root 3a, this portion will be root 3a comma 0, and minus part will be in this minus root 3, this portion. In another way, we can draw the figure in this way, this and this. This is possible. Root 3 plus a and minus root 3a plus and root 3 minus root 3a. This implies minus root 3a comma 0. This point. Now we have to find the vertices. This triangle treating this triangle ABC, A, B and C. So the vertices are, answer, the vertices of the triangle so formed are 0a, 0 minus a, 0a 0 minus a root 3a comma 0, or treating this triangle, if we first we consider this triangle. If we consider this triangle, the answer will be 0a 0 minus a and this point minus root 3a comma 0. This. Let's move on to the next sum. The next problem is find the slope of a line which passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A 0 minus 4 and B 8 0. So we'll first find the midpoint of A and B, and then getting that point, and we have origin 0 0, then we will find the slope of 2 points, that is origin and the midpoint of such and such. Just for clarification, let's draw the figure. A 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4, let's it A 0 minus 4. This point A 0 minus 4, B point 8 0, 8. And the midpoint of these 2 points, midpoint means just this point. Let's assume this point as C. So midpoint of A and B is equal to 8, 0 plus 8 divided 2, comma, minus 4 plus 0 by 2 is equal to 4, comma, minus 2. 4, comma, minus 2. Find the slope of line which passes through the origin. So origin here 0 0, origin, and midpoint C. This line. We have to find the slope of this line, OC. We know the formula of finding slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 here either x1 y1 or x2 y2. You can take it x1 y1 and this point x2 y2. So y2 is 0 minus y1 is minus 2, minus of minus 2, x2 0 minus 4 is equal to 2 by minus 4 equals to minus 1 by 2. Find the slope of the line. So the required slope is minus half. Since it is the obtuse angle, making an obtuse angle with the x-axis, so we got the negative value. This. We move on to the next sum. Moving on to the next sum. If 3 points h, 0, a, b and 0, k lie on a line so that A upon H plus B upon K is equal to 1. This sum can be solved in two ways. First way that I am going to do is using slope or gradient rule, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, this formula using. And another way is finding the area of a triangle and equating it with 0, because the 3 points are collinear. So two ways it can be solved. First way, we are showing using the slope or gradient formula. That is, 3 points are on a same line. Just I am showing you. No, we don't need any axis. This A H0, B AB, C 0K. 3 points lying on a same line. So we will find the gradient or slope of AB, and also slope of BC. Since 3 points are on the same line, so the slope of two lines AB and BC will be same. Slope of first 2 points H0 and AB is M1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 means b minus 0 upon a minus 0. Sorry, a minus h is equal to b upon a minus h. On the other hand, slope of AB and 0K is M2 is equal to this, using this is the same formula, y2 minus 1, that is K minus B 0 minus A. K minus B is equal upon minus A. Since the 3 points, we have already told that 3 points are on the same line, therefore slope M1 and M2 will be equal. So we will equal both the slope or gradients. That is, first gradient, that is M1 is equal to M2, that is B upon A minus H is equal to K minus B upon minus A. Cross multiplication, AK minus AB minus HK plus BH is equal to minus AB. We can cancel minus AB and minus AB from both sides. This implies AK minus HK, AK plus BH is equal to HK. Shifting to right hand side this time. Now we have to prove A by H plus B by K equal to 1. So right hand side will be 1. That is, if we divide HK by HK on both sides, right hand side will be 1 and left hand side hope to get this AH upon HK plus BH upon HK, HK upon HK. This term cancelling will be 1 and cancelling K, A upon H plus cancelling H, B upon K, AY upon is equal to 1. Proved. So students, if you have any problem in any step or any problem on this chapter, you can send me in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share these videos to your near ones or close friends. Thanks for watching.